C and C++, languages older than the internet itself, are they still worth it in 2025, or are they just ancient tech for old-school programmers? Let's be real, learning C feels like learning to swim, in a thunderstorm.no classes, no garbage collection, no hand-holding, and C++, it gives you power, but also enough rope to hang yourself with templates. But here's the thing, C and C++ are raw, fast. You want to build an operating system, C is still king. Want to work in embedded systems, game engines, or high-frequency trading, you better know your pointers. Most new devs skip C entirely, and honestly, that's okay if you just want to build websites, but if you want to understand how computers really work, C teaches you what other languages hide. Is C worth it? Yes. If you want to master the core of programming, is C++ worth it? Yes. If you respect its complexity that they're not easy. But they'll make every other language feel like a toy.